see who comes out on top at PawsOnFire 2023 by getting our two finalists back on the stage. Let's get Luca and Fidget. I totally did not lose the train of thought. Listen, I'm still trying to recover, so I'm just gonna sue you two already and say, kinda save me. Next song. All right, Luca and Fire. I know that you've been an awesome audience so far, but for all of our dancers, not just Luca and Fidget, for all our dancers crowd, make some noise one more time. This audience has been nothing short of amazing. Same with these dancers. And like we already showed at the beginning, judges, if I could actually have you come up, judges, if you want to stand up. Come into the light. I know we gotta bring the three bad witches out here. And where do we have our crystal ball? We got a crystal ball somewhere? Alright, I think one of our judges needs to be holding the crystal ball of truth, of power, of peach emoji madness. And we're gonna see which of these souls will be absorbed by the crystal ball and crown the winner of this year's PawsOnFire. So crowd, we're gonna count down from 10 and I need you to help me. So, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, here. Crowd, keep up that applause as the dancers come out. They need your energy.